Today is the day filled with sadness. We are preparing for one of the hardest days, bidding farewell to Sir Donny. Amidst the sorrow, we reflect on his life, which was full of kindness and love. In the morning, when we were getting ready, the surroundings were calm and quiet, but you could feel the heaviness in the air. Each minute brought us closer, but in our hearts, we were never ready to say goodbye. When our ride arrived, memories started flooding back. Laughter, shared successes, and the beautiful times we had with you, Sir Donny. Your family was truly blessed to have you in their lives. Your love, kindness, and unwavering strength were gifts we will forever cherish. You brought light into every moment, and they were so lucky to have you. Now that you're gone, the void is immeasurable, but so is the love you've left behind. And knowing your legacy of love will live on us forever. As we arrive at the chapel, an overwhelming feeling hit us. Seeing so many people gathered was no surprise. It showed how much Sir Donny had touched so many lives with his kind and hardworking nature. Sa sulod sang kapilya, madamo nga mga luha ang nagahulog. Mga tinaga wala sing igo nga makasaysay sang kabugaton sa aton tagipusoon. Pero ang mga istorya nga ginpahayag sang iya pamilya, mga abyan, kagupod sa trabaho nagapakita kung paano niya gimbago ang ilang kabuhi.
Rest in peace, Tony. Amen.
Thank you, kay nakikita talaga kayo. Salamat, kasi yung tanan. Kaya na akong katatoy ko sa salamat ito sa mga kwenta pa niya siya. Wala yung hinihigit ko sa ilan. Salamat yung madamo. Ay, wala yung ikumat. Pero lima kaya araw ko salamat. Ay, salamat. Salamat din sa inyo tanan sa mga nagkalampong sa aming mga kapatikiran. Madamo salamat sa nakapalangga kay Lumi. Kaya pa mabigat ko na si Lumi sa pihak ng pinapulit. Patayin ko naman kumang isang ganyan lang nauna. Madamo sila naman. Salamat. Salamat.
Pwede na din ako makapagpura doon. Ang matangat lang. Pamayaw nahan.
To Sir Don's family, please know that his successes and goodness that he shared with you will never be forgotten. To his friends and colleagues, continue to carry the inspiration he has left behind. And to everyone who loved him, let us keep praying for his eternal joy and peace. As I watch Sir Donny being laid to rest, I felt a mix of sorrow and peace. Sorrow because we will miss his presence in our lives. Peace because I know he is now at rest in the arms of our Almighty Father. His struggles are over and he has found eternal rest. Sir Donny, your spirit lives on our hearts and may you find joy and serenity in God's embrace. Sir Donny, even though you are no longer with us, your love and inspiration will remain. Thank you for everything you have done and left behind. Until we meet again, sir.